Next question I'm going to show. Sixth question. Write a PySpark program. Um, find the customers who purchased all products from product table. This is my program. Okay, this is my program. So for this, I'm taking the same data now. Data is equal to 1 comma 5 customer ID and product key. We comma 5. Data frame. The customer ID group by column, customer ID, AGG function, count of distinct call of product key, and alias in product call function not defined. PySpark dot SQL dot FEN functions import call is count distinct function. Yeah. So the customer ID purchased the two products. The customer ID 3 purchased two products. Customer ID 2 purchased only one product. That is the count I'm find out. The count I'm finding based on product ID which is available. No. Product here. Many products we have like a two types of products. One is 5, comma, one is 6. Okay, two products are there. Okay, let me join these two. df is equal to df underscore product. I want to find the customer who purchased all the products. How many products are there here? Totally two products are there. 5 is the one product, 6 is the one product. The customers which are purchased two products at least. Means like we want only because suppose here having one more product, maybe you take 7. If you take here, if you execute, how many products are there? How many products are there? Now three products. Check it here. Total three products. That's what. Now I'm giving only two products. The two products, one is product key is 5, one is product key is 6. Now I want to find the customers which are purchased all the products. Means 5, 6, 7. How many products are there? The customer which find purchased all the products I want. So for this is total number of products available in this product data frame we want found. So that is what CNT products. That is what in this product data frame. Here in the customer, each customer how many products they purchase. The customer ID purchase how many products too. This customer purchased how many products. This customer ID purchased how many products. That's what we mentioned here. Okay. So let me join now. So df is equal to df underscore product join of df underscore customer df underscore product dot cnt product. cnt, this is the alias name of this one. This both places are given. See, in the products data frame, whatever the number of products available matches with df customer customer. This is what. What is the type of join? Inner join. Then show. Select. Maybe you can go now. Show. Then we can see. These are total number of customers. Each product, how many purchases is it? This count of products is customer ID 1, purchase 2. Customer ID 3, purchases 2 products. Whereas customer ID 2, purchased only one product. That's why not showing here. Because I'm find the customers which are purchased all the products. Okay. Suppose I'm giving like one more customer ID is that 4 comma 1. That is what one more customer I'm giving. So total how many number of customers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So first mark customer ID 1 purchase 2 products. Customer ID 3 purchase 2 products. Customer ID 4 purchase only one product. Customer ID 2 purchase only product. How many products are there in the product table? 2 products only. The 2 products actually who bought 1, 3. These are the 2 customers only bought. That's why I'm getting this one. I don't want all these 2 columns. If you want to split this means you want to select only. We want to select here. Select call of this customer ID. This is enough. I want only customer IDs which are purchased all the products. 1 comma 3. This is the solution. Got it or not? Any doubts? Any doubts? Please ask. Thank you.